Hi guys, today I will teach you how to design almost any graphics without Photoshop. Okay, so what can we design? We can design logos, social media posts. Okay, so if you're Facebook marketing or marketing in social media, we can design those graphical posts. Pinterest graphics. So if you're into Pinterest marketing, you should know that graphics is very important, and we can design that in this course. YouTube thumbnails. Okay, so if you're doing YouTube, then a good thumbnail increases click-through rate. Okay, it makes people want to click on your YouTube video. So YouTube thumbnail is very useful. Resumes. Okay, if you want to have a different resume, a creative resume, an impressive resume, then we can also make that. Book covers. Okay, if you're a aspiring author, we can also design book covers. CD covers, infographics, menus. So if you have a restaurant, then we can also design a menu. Posters, brochures, Facebook ads, and many more. Okay, so we will be using Canva. Okay, so what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design app that is totally completely free. Okay, you don't need to pay anything, although there is a paid version. Okay, there's an upgrade, but you don't need to pay anything. Personally, I just use the free Canva and I don't pay anything, but if you want to upgrade, that is okay. No experience required. Okay, so you don't need to have any graphic design experience, and you don't need to know Photoshop, okay, or anything like Adobe. There's no experience required at all. This is perfect for newbies. Okay, and it's very easy to use, and there are many templates available. So this means that you don't need to start from scratch because there are already existing templates, and you don't need to install any software. Okay, so there's no need to buy Photoshop, there's no need to buy anything, and there's no need to install anything on your computer. Okay, because this is a web-based app. Okay, so all you need to do is have your internet access and your desktop or laptop computer. That's all you need, a computer and internet access. Okay, so now let's go to Canva. Okay, so just go to Google and type Canva. That's Canva, and then click Canva, and then you need to sign up. Okay, so you choose if you're a teacher or student here, education, if you're a small business, large company, a charity, or personal. Okay, so as for me, I'll just choose personal, and then you can choose to sign up with your Facebook account, your Google account, or your email. Okay, so for example, let's sign up with Facebook. So let's just click that. Okay, and then click continue as. So just wait for it while it's still signing up using Facebook. Okay, so now we already signed up on using Facebook. Then choose what are you? Are you a artist, a blogger, okay, a business owner? So for example, I just use a blogger. And then it says invite your teams and collaborate on designs. So for me, I'll just skip that. Okay, but if you have any friends or a team, then you can invite them, but I'll just skip that. So I'll just click here, skip inviting team members. Okay, so choose what you want to create. Okay, and there are more design types here, so let's just click that. Okay, so now we're here on Canva. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lesson. Hi guys, so now I'll be creating a logo. So just scroll down until you see marketing materials and then click logo. Okay, so the size of the logo is going to be 500 pixels by 500 pixels. Okay, So you can see here the different logo templates on the left. Okay, there are many logo templates. So let's just choose one. Okay, so we can change the background color by clicking the background anywhere here on the background, and then click the color picker. Just click this, and then choose the color that you want. Okay, for example, we want a different color. Just click here the plus sign if we don't like any of these colors. Okay, for example, we like this purple color. Okay, so you can also change the colors of the elements here. Okay, this blue, green, and orange, we can change that. Just click this, and you can see here there's a green, blue, and orange. Okay, so we can change this. Okay, let's change the green. Okay, for example, we can change that to pink, yellow. Okay, let's change the blue. Okay, change that into red, and let's change the orange into blue. Okay, so again, we can also change the text. Just click the text and just change it. Okay, all right, so let's look for another example here. Let's just scroll down. Okay, let's use another logo. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, let's just choose this one and then click replace. Okay, so you can see here the elements. We can resize it. Okay, we can make it bigger or smaller. Okay, for example, let's click the light bulb. Okay, and then you can see here there's a dot. Okay, so just hover your mouse over it and then drag it. Okay, so this will make it bigger. Okay, and again you can let's make the rest bigger as well. Okay, just click it and then drag it upwards. Okay, drag it outwards. Okay, and then you can change the colors. Okay, so just click this. Okay, and then go to the color picker and change the color. Okay, so let's just change the colors here. Just click it and then go to color picker and then change the color. Okay, again, you can also rearrange this. Okay, for example, you want this plus sign to be here. Okay, just click it and then drag it wherever you want. Okay, just click the elements and then drag it wherever you want. Okay, so you can also change the color of the light bulb. Just click this and then you can see there are different colors. Okay, just click it and then change it to whatever color you want. Okay, so now let's go to another example. Okay, just let's go here. Okay, just click it and then click replace. Okay, so again we can change the color of this element. Just click it and then go to color picker. But in this example, we're going to delete this, okay? Because we're going to upload a custom graphic, okay? We can also upload custom graphics with this. So first, let's just delete this. So just click it and then go to the delete button here on the upper right section. Just click delete, okay? So you'll see it will be gone. Okay, so now we're going to upload a custom graphic. Okay, so just click here on the upload section on the left, the bottommost part of the left section here, uploads. Just click that and then click upload your own images. Okay, just click this green button that says upload your own images and then choose the image that you want to upload. Okay, so it's still uploading and now it's finished uploading. Just drag it over here. Okay, so now you can see it's too big, so let's just resize that, make it smaller. Okay, so let's hover over here on the dot and then resize it. Just drag it to make it smaller. Okay, alright, so we can also change the background. Just click this white background and change it to any color that you want. Okay, but for this we'll just keep it white. Alright, so once you're happy, just click here download, and there are different file types such as PDF, JPG, and PNG. Okay, so what we need for the logo is we need a PNG background. Okay, we need a transparent PNG background not just a PNG, but we need a transparent PNG background. Okay, so I'll show you why we need a transparent PNG background. Okay, so this is transparent PNG on the left section, and here on the right is not transparent PNG. Okay, so we need a transparent PNG so that it will be transparent. Okay, so if we change the color here, just an example, you will see that the transparent background, okay, it changes to whatever is the color of the background. Okay, but this not transparent, okay, it always stays the same color. Okay, so if you have a website and you want to change the colors of your website, it is so much easier to do it with the transparent PNG, because it will just follow whatever is the color of your website. Okay, but if you don't have a transparent, then the background color will always stay the same. Okay, so example again, if we change the background color, you can see here that the transparent is follows the color of the background, while the not transparent, it just white. Okay, it just stays the same. That is why we need the transparent PNG background. Okay, so now again, let's go to the download section and choose PNG, but we cannot click here. Okay, if we try to click the transparent background, we cannot click it. Okay, so let's click here, learn more, and it says get transparent backgrounds with Canva for work. Okay, Canva for work, this is the Canva for work. Okay, this is $12.95 per user per month. Okay, so we only have a free Canva. Okay, so we cannot change it to a transparent background. Okay, but you can have a 30-day free trial. Okay, so let's go back here. Get transparent backgrounds with Canva for work. Okay, we can start a 30-day free trial. Okay, anyway, this transparent background thing is only important with logos. Okay, most of the time you don't need it. Okay, but you need it for the logo. Okay, so we can just try this. Start your free 30-day trial. Just click this. Okay, so again, I'll show you how to get here to get your 30-day trial. Okay, so what we do is just again click download and then choose PNG, and then click learn more, and then it will prompt this start your free 30-day trial. Okay, so let's just click that, and then you can put your card number here. Okay, and its first 30 days are free, and you can cancel anytime. Okay, so they will also remind you 3 days before your trial ends. Okay, so my advice is this: if you're just going to make a logo and you're not going to use the transparent background anymore, you can just go for the free trial and then cancel it 3 days before the trial ends. Okay, just cancel it before the free trial ends. So later I will show you how to cancel the free trial. Okay, so you can just do this, it's still free. Okay, all right, so I'll just put in my card number here, so I'll just pause the video. Okay, I'll just get back to you later. Okay, so I just click claim my free trial. Okay, and so now we're here at Canva for work. Okay, so just let's click here, let's get started, and just choose anything here. You can change that later. Okay, set your brand color. Okay, so now just click here, I'll do it later. For now, let's upload your logo. Just click here, I'll do it later, and then click here, I'll do it later, and then click continue. Okay, and then just click here, click X. Okay, and let's go back to our design earlier. Okay, because they're giving us a tour of Canva for work, so just click here, all your designs. Okay, and then just click here on our earlier design. Okay, so just click here, All right, so now let's click download and just choose PNG. And now you can